Hi, I'm Vicky. I'll be guiding you through the following tutorial. This is Route 1, the A183 Chester Road, heading towards the A19 North. Let's begin. Turn left at the end of this road. Check your centre and left mirror and look to the right. When it's safe to proceed, let's make progress up the road. At the end of the road, we're going to turn left first exit heading up the A183 Chester Road. Check your centre and left mirror, then indicate to the left. On approach, look to your right, anticipating when you'll have a big enough gap to emerge, or a blocker comes around the roundabout creating that gap. Be also aware of the car in front of you, in case it hasn't moved. Mistakes are often made assuming that the car in front has pulled off when indeed it hasn't. There's your gap, now make progress. Remember, the speed limit hasn't changed since you emerged, and so this road is still a 30. Quite a lot of people make the mistake that this is still a 40-mile-per-hour speed limit, when it isn't. At the next junction, we're going to cross the roundabout second exit. Anticipate the bus signalling to emerge. Look to your right. If there's a big enough gap, let's emerge. Look left. Indicate left. Now let's make progress. Approaching the roundabout in either lane, turn right third exit. You've been given a choice. Given the choice, left is best. As the road begins to split into 3 lanes, check your centre and right mirror, indicate right, and move into the middle lane. Of the 3 lanes, the left turns left or goes ahead. The middle and right lanes are the only 2 marked to turn right. Of these 2 choices, the left one is the best one. Continue to indicate right. Head directly towards the Chester Lee Street sign and spiral into the left lane. Indicate left as you pass alongside the sign. Cancel your indicator, then make progress down the acceleration lane, staying in the left-hand lane. Stay in the left lane, but be aware of any vehicles to the right on the A19, as these may be wishing to move over to the left, in anticipation of joining the A1231.